Welcome to RHosting. This guide will show you how to log in through a web browser and print to your local printer. This short guide will walk you through configuring web service sessions and appearance in RHosting. This is where you customize the user's remote experience.
First, from the main web service screen, click the Session Configuration button to open the settings. Under Session Configuration, you can enable or disable various features for your web sessions. This includes important resources like the clipboard and printer download, as well as session sharing and a glyph cache. Next, under Default Folder, you can choose where users will land when they log in. Your options include My Document, Desktop, Downloads, or User Profile. Now for the visual experience. The Appearance Configuration section lets you customize things like enabling wallpaper and font smooth and adjusting the color depth. Once you've set your preferences, simply click the Save button to apply your changes.
First, open your web browser and navigate to the RHosting web server address. Enter the username and password provided by your administrator. Then click Connect. You are now logged in. Double-click the application you need to use, such as the invoice system,
Ibiza.
To print, open your document and click the Print button, or select File, then Print. In the Print dialog, select the RHosting Printer and click Print. A new window will appear, listing all your local printers. Select the printer you want to use. Click Print again. The document will now print directly to your local printer.